Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1965 with a bit of Gerry and The Pacemakers. Ferry, cross the Mersey, 'cause this land's the place I love, and here I'll stay. Yes, Ferry across the Mersey. 1965, a song that Gerry Marsden wrote. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more 60s and 70s guitar tutorials. So if you're all ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so then let's get straight into it. Here's the intro. So the intro goes... Let me show you how that's done. So first off, we want to be up on the 9th fret. Now what we're going to do, we're going to hold down strings 4, 3, 2, not 1, although being in a straight line, you can't really help it. So all I would advise, if you can't help but press that, just don't play it. We don't need to play the first string, the E string. What we're going to do is going to hold them down in a line. So we've got just 3, 4, 3, 2, and we're going to play them as 1. Got it? So we're going to go play, play, and then we're going to switch down to our first finger, which is going to be holding down 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is what's known as a D6. Okay, so we're going from an E major, because we're not playing the E string, down to a D6. So we're going to go twice, and then we're going to switch down to the D6. So down, down, then we do once on the D6. Now we finish that with an up lick on the bottom string, so we're really getting that prominent E string on the D6. So we got okay, and that's the intro. So life goes on day after day, like that. It just carries on like that. Then we're going to move into the verse. So the chorus. So ferry across the Mersey. Right, let me show you how that's done. So first off, let's get the strum pattern right. Now, that broken down into plain English is down, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay? So, we'll do that again. Strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. But that's going to go a whole lot quicker than that. So, it's probably a good idea that you get that straight before we get into doing it any quicker. So, it's the full speed is going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, so that's the strum pattern. So I'm going to time mark all of this. So if you're just stuck on the strum pattern, you can just play back this part until you've got it right. Okay, so the chorus. Chords we're going to need are E. Let's come up to the camera so you can see there's an E. E major. You know E major. Then we're going to go up to the 4th fret. We're going to bar all 6 strings. This chord's known as an A flat minor. So that would be A. We come back a semitone, making it A flat. And when we take our second finger off, there's our A flat minor. So just to break that down, we're holding all 6 strings on the 4th fret. And then with our 3rd finger, we're holding down the 6th fret A. With our little finger, we're holding down the 6th fret D. There's an A flat minor, okay? Bringing that shape then, down to the second position, gives us an F sharp minor, and then we're going to be with a B7. Now, I don't think we've ever done a B7 before, so we're going to be, I'm going to break that down for you. First finger, D string, first fret. Second finger, A string, second fret. Third finger, second fret of the G string, and the little finger, second fret of the high E string. Okay, now we don't play the 6th string for the B7. There's our B7. So let's go through these chords then. So we got so, Ferry, that's the E, cross the A flat minor, Mersey, cause this F sharp minor lands the place I, B7 love, and here I'll stay, back to the E, but then actually we go back up to the riff. Let's show you how that all plays out. So, little playthrough. 1, 2, so Ferry, cross the Mersey, A flat minor, F sharp minor, then to B7, and then E. Okay, one more time. So A flat minor, F sharp minor, B7, and back to E. And then we verse with that bit and chorus with the chords I've just shown you. Right, we're going to go into the bridge, or also known as the middle eight. Chords we're going to need are the same chords as we just did, more or less, for the chorus. So, middle eighth, or the bridge, goes like this. F sharp minor. People up, B7, round every corner, E. Then we do it again. F sharp minor, B7 to the E. F sharp minor, B7, A flat minor, F sharp major. Now we had an F sharp minor before. We're going to put the finger on. Put the finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Makes that F sharp minor we had into an F sharp major. We'll never turn you up. And then we're going to break it down. We're going to flatten off our fingers and keep the first finger holding down all the 6 strings, and with our 3rd finger we're going to hold down 4, 3, 2, not 1. We're going to slightly lift off, or either that or don't play the E string, but this is the chord of B. We'll never turn you away. So we're up there for the B. Let's go through that again. So F sharp minor. People around every, B7 to the E. F sharp minor, B7 then to E. F sharp minor, B7, A flat minor, F sharp major to the B. Then we're back to the little riff over the verses. Okay, one more time on the bridge, and then we'll have a little playthrough, I think. F sharp minor, 2, 3, and people around, B7 to the E. F sharp minor, B7 to E. F sharp minor, B7, A flat minor, F sharp major, and then to the B. You'll notice now and again, it's perfectly acceptable to, instead of using your 3rd finger to hold down 4, 3, 2, 1, but don't play the 1, remember what I said, you can use little finger, and sometimes people put the 3rd finger on top of their little finger to help the little finger hold down. If you're going to do that though, be sure that you don't touch the 5th and the 6th string with your 3rd finger, okay? That's got to be completely out the way. There's your B. Right, complete playthrough. Let's have a little go at this. So we've got the riff at the beginning. Life goes on day after day. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. Then chords. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. A to the A flat minor, then to F sharp minor, then B7, and back to riff. So through the bridge, so F sharp minor, B7 to E, F sharp minor, B7 to E, F sharp minor, B7, A flat minor, F sharp, then to B. So there we have it, Ferry across the Mersey by Gerry and the Pacemakers. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based 60s and 70s tutorials. So, with all that said and done, thank you for watching so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.